I'm Ron from Kolleno, the suite tab designed to help you chase and reconcile all your invoices efficiently with SuiteBilling. In this video, I will show you how to enable the required features and modules in order to use fulfillable items with SuiteBilling. So first I will go to Setup, Company, Enable Features. In the Accounting subtab, you need to make sure you have Accounting checked. In the Transaction subtab, you need to look for several of them. First, we need to look for Subscription Billing here. So you can see that one there, Subscription Billing. We also need Charge-Based Billing. We need Add-on Items, which is here. And we also need the Pick, Pack, and Ship feature. If I then go into Inventory, Item and Inventory, you need to look for the Inventory one, so this one. Once you have a distributed items, you will not be able to disable the multi-location inventory features. Are you sure you want to enable this feature? Yep. It requires enabling the following. Okay, perfect. And then we need to go to CRM. And we need to select Customer Relationship Management, this one. In the last tab, SuiteCloud, we need to choose Custom Records, so this one, Advanced PDF HTML Templates, as well as Server Suite Script here. So once you're happy, you first subscribe to this channel and then you click on Save. And remember that if this video helped you, please give it a like and I'll see you in the next one.